Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious but super easy chocolate pudding that reminds you of the jingling bells of Christmas and the cozy winter nights. It's a very perfect dish and perfect dessert to share it with your family and with your friends, and also enjoy making it with your kids. So let's begin. I added 3 big tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 big tablespoons of milk powder. I'm using milk powder to just give it a more creamier texture. You will see in the end. Add a pinch of salt to accentuate the taste, but make sure love is the best thing to accentuate the taste of whichever you are making. Now I'm adding 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. This is a perfect measure for me because it gives very sweet and bearable sweetness to the recipe. Now mix all the dry ingredients well with a lot of love, and you can also engage your kids and the little ones in the house helping you with this. It also helps you get some good quality family time. I'm using dark chocolate, baking chocolate, chopping up it about half cup. But here's the key. I love the harsh bitter taste, and this is the key to it. I love this brand and I love this dark chocolate. It's 85% cocoa. I'm using almost 3 tablespoons. Believe me, it will just change the whole look of it. It will be mind-blowing in the end. You will feel the real chocolate, but not really so dark. I always remember this recipe. It reminds me of the Christmas evenings and the warm and cozy weather and gatherings. I always love this season, and I just enjoy making this stuff. Now I'm heating it up on a medium heat till it foams up like this, and then add in the chocolate, and you can already see that it's pretty thick, it's not runny. And keep blending it, whisking it up. Let it cook for a while, let the chocolate blend well. Then I'm gonna use a lot of cream in it. Yes, real cream. So nearly 1 cup of cream. I'm just gonna add that to give it extra texture of creaminess. For your family with love or for your loved ones, it will always come out good. Blend the cream well, whisk it up, let it cook for a while, and here's the final ingredient. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, mix it in the water. It's up to your choice, and then add all of that in it. Stir it up continuously, don't let it make lumps, so just gradually add all the water in and blend it well. Let it cook for a while. You will get the cornstarch get cooked, and then pour it out in the container. Hey, if you're liking it so far, just click that like and subscribe buttons. So as you can see, I'm pouring it in, but you can say it formed a film over the top. The film was because I just turned off the heat and rested it for a second, and it was so creamy and thick, so it formed a film right away. But later, as it cools down, the film comes over the top, like as you can see it here, and look at this, how creamy and cuddly it is. You cannot believe until you try it yourself. It is so easy in very little ingredients, but very delicious, very comforting,